Hi friends, so you have a reading work sample that's coming up that's due. And for this reading work sample, you're gonna read each passage and then you're gonna answer the questions. So the way that you can do this is you can go ahead and save the file that I send you as an attachment. This is also in the online school as well, so you'll find this in the online school. But I always send work samples ahead of time, so you can just open up the attachment. You can save it to your desktop or save it somewhere on your computer, and then you can go in and type your answers, okay? So you're gonna read each passage, then answer the questions. You can type in your answers, and then you can always just send it to me as an attachment in an email, okay? If you'd rather write your answers out on a piece of paper, and you'd like to take a picture of it, and send it to me like that in an email as an attachment, you are welcome to do that, okay? So this first story is Mysterious Myrtle. I'm gonna have you read this reading passage about Mysterious Myrtle. And then you are going to type in your answers. So the first question says, what does the phrase pouring out his problems mean in paragraph 6? So you're gonna go back to paragraph 6, you're gonna find that phrase, pouring out his problems, and you are gonna write in a complete sentence what that means, okay? So you would start out your sentence with, pouring out his problems means, and then tell me what you think that means. Number 2 says, what does the word fretting mean in paragraph 2? So you would write, the word fretting means, and then go ahead and tell me what that means. You'll look back in paragraph 2 to help you figure out what that word means. The next one says, write a summary of the story and support your answers with an example from the story. So here you're going to provide a summary. So you're going to give me the main details, the main things that happened in the story, and then cite an example from the story. So in the story, this happened, blah, 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 okay? The next one says, what is the theme of Mysterious Myrtle? Support your answers with examples from the story. So think about what the theme is, think about what that word theme means, and you're going to type in or write in what the theme is, and then give me at least one example from the story, okay? Then the second part is reading the next story called Thud Bump. So you're gonna read this story, Thud Bump, and then you are gonna go ahead and answer these questions. So the next one says, number 5 says, what is the meaning of the idiom sweating bullets in paragraph 9? So you're going to write in or type in the meaning of sweating bullets in paragraph 9 is, that would be a complete sentence, okay? Number 6 says, what does the word edged mean in paragraph 9? So you'll look back in paragraph 9 and you will tell me what that word edged means. The next one says, where does Thud Bump take place? How do you know? Why is the setting important? Support your answers with details from the story. And the last question says, how are the points of view from which Mysterious Myrtle and Thud Bump are told different? Support your answers with information from the stories. So again, that is your reading work sample. Make sure you get this completed. You are welcome to complete it ahead of time. I would get it done in advance. I would turn it in and submit it to me so that you don't get any points docked off. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Reach out to me if you still have questions about this work sample.